What is up, bros? There's two things about this video. One, it's gonna help you guys a lot and it's gonna look super nice. And two, it's probably the shortest video on my channel. With that said, let me just show you guys what we're gonna do. How to put that on. Man, these tire letterings look so good. Wow. Bros, if you have the money, 100% buy tire letterings for your Z. So for the past hour and a half or two, I think it's been that long, I've just been putting this Michelin tire letterings. Obviously, as you guys guess, I have Michelin tires. No, bros, I'm just kidding. I actually have Falcon tires. But I feel like that doesn't really matter. I'm not really trying to say that I have Michelin tires. I'm just putting it on because it looks cool. If I was trying to say that I have Michelin tires, then I would have covered up the Falcon, which I didn't, so. It makes such a big difference, right? Look at this side. And now look at this side. So the first thing you want to do, you want to kind of pick a spot. Like I picked this spot because there's like not that many letterings or indents or things like that, and you're gonna put one up here, and then you also got to choose a good spot because you're gonna put it right across from it. So you got to make sure down here there isn't that many things either. And I would say the most annoying part is what we're gonna do right now. First, you just got to take out all the dirt from the tire and make sure it doesn't have to be super clean, but just make sure it's not dirty so that glue can really go into the tire. Bros, let me know if you agree with what I'm about to say, but tire letterings, in my opinion, is like the easiest, cheapest way to make your Z or any car look like a race car. I don't know, there's just something about them that make the car look so nice. And I forgot to mention, these are actually permanent. They come with crazy glue or super glue, however you want to call it. And I think they go for like 60 something. If you type in Nissan 370Z tire letterings on eBay, you're probably gonna find them as like the top 5 results. So step 1 was cleaning the tires. Step 2, you kind of want to put it in a place just to get a good idea of how it's going to look. They come with a little tape over them so you can like tape it onto the tire and just see how good it's gonna look. So after you have that part done and you kind of know where you want to put it, I advise you to grab tape and just kind of put it on the edge of where you're gonna start and then at the edge of where you're gonna end. And that's gonna give you like a good reference on where to put it and just to make it look how you actually wanted it. Bro, so I kind of forgot I was making a video for you guys and I went ahead and did a head, which I'm sorry, but I'll show you guys how to do the next one. But this is basically how it turned out. Really good. I think this is the best one that I've done so far. There's not that much mess around that, and it actually turned out really nice. I really like it. That's weird though, I totally forgot I was recording a video. And if this video's been pretty boring so far, sorry guys. I'm trying my best to make it kind of fun while installing this. I don't remember if I showed you guys this last video, but that Z looks absolutely amazing, especially with the front and the carbon fiber. I love it. Also, I just remember really good question I got for you bros. What color should I paint my calipers? Right now they're like a dark grayish, a little darker than how the car is. I don't know if the camera, yeah, the camera's showing it pretty good. That's the color they are right now. I was thinking either red or yellow. I don't know. If you guys have any other color options, it's gonna look good with the gray and the white tire letterings and all that. Let me know in the comments below, but yeah, good question for you bros. And I was just thinking, instead of having to move the car forward and back so I can finish the rear tire, I'm just gonna finish the one from up here, and then I'm just gonna move the car forward and finish both of them at the same time. Something that sucks really bad, as you guys can see, my banner is absolutely getting destroyed by the sun. Look at that. This is supposed to be like a chrome chain and it changes color kind of. And look how, dang, the sun just destroyed it. So I definitely have to get a new banner. I'm thinking about not getting the banner, but getting the windshield visor that turns into a banner. And I'm probably gonna make it so it says Danny Z. But it costs like 50 bucks and I don't have 50 bucks to spend on that. So I'm gonna have to wait quite a bit. So let me show you bros what I like to do. So first, I open up the glue bottle, obviously. Okay, so what I do is I just do a couple drops. I don't know if you get, okay, there you go, now you can see it. I just do a couple drops and then I just kind of go around and start swirling it all over it. What I was doing in the beginning was I was just putting drops and then putting it on the tire, but no, just put drops and then just kind of mix them together and put it back. So let's go ahead and do that. No, that's a little too much. And then I'm not really worrying about the corners too much right now. So I'm gonna put everything on, and then after I'm done with all the tire letterings on the car, I'm worried about coming back and then putting the corners correctly. Got it done, as you guys can see right there. Now let's put it over here. Bam. It's perfect. Yep, came out perfect right there. And yes, I do leave the plastic sticker on the letterings and then I kind of leave it for a little bit. And once it gets hard on the tire, then I take out the plastic cover. And as you can see right there bros, we got the final product. I'm gonna go ahead and move the car forward so I can put the other tires at the bottom. Same thing with the rear. Yeah, that's pretty much it. I've been doing it for like about 2 hours already. And it's not that hard, it just kind of takes some time if you want to get it perfectly, then you gotta take your time. I'm just gonna go ahead and show you guys the final product when I'm done. Bros, at last I finally finished. Let me show you guys the final product. This is how the Z looks from behind. Here we got on the side the tire letterings. Super, super, super nice. Here we got the front. Let's give you guys a shot like this. Oh, that made the car look so much better. Holy crap. Thing about this job, bros, as you can see my fingers, they are full of crazy glue or super glue, however you want to call it. And it's gonna be a mission trying to take it off. Let me show you guys one last look of the Z and how it looks. Whew. You guys wanna know what's better than this though? Look how nice the Z looks, bros. In a matter of a month, this car just changed, looks like this. Holy crap. Also, bros, I forgot to put on this Nissan logo that I painted black like you guys told me to. So I'm gonna go ahead and come back and do that now. What I ended up doing, I just put double-sided tape on each corner, and let's go ahead and put that now. We're Nissan again. There we go. It's kind of off, but I mean, who cares? It doesn't have to be perfect. Actually, bros, it does matter to me. I just went ahead and fixed it. So that pretty much wraps up the video, but I hope it helped, and I hope you guys really like how the Z's turning out. So far, the only thing that's left is the wing, which I'm gonna go over there on Monday morning, and they said it'll take like about 2 hours or 3 hours. That video is gonna come after this video. So I hope you guys have been really enjoying this. I think you got 3 videos this week. I don't know. The video of installing the bumpers, this little short video of installing the tire letterings, and the next video is gonna be the wing. So I think that's pretty much all I wanted to talk about. I think we're at 4,300 subscribers right now. I think by the end of this month, or actually no, by the middle of like June or so, I think we're gonna hit 5,000, hopefully, fingers crossed. After that's 10,000. So bros, if you haven't already, make sure you share with your friends, and please just subscribe to the channel and join the movement. I make a bunch of vlogs with the Z. I go to car events, I work on my car, and do a whole bunch of fun things. So if you guys don't mind, hit the subscribe button. Yeah, bro, stay tuned for next video. I advise you subscribe so you're like one of the first ones to watch it. Next video, like I said, car's gonna be completely done. At least for now, it's gonna be done. And yeah, it should be a pretty awesome video. I can't wait. I hope you guys enjoyed this short video. There wasn't really much to it. It was just me installing the tire letterings and showing you guys the Z and how much it really changed the look of it. And with that said, bros, I'll see you guys next time. Don't forget to subscribe, share with your friends, like the video if you enjoyed. Let me know in the comments below what you thought of the tire lettering, and if you like short videos instead of long videos. And yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Peace.